blocks. Keep reaching up through the crown of the head. On your next exhale, let's take a twist. Left arm behind us, right hand to the outside of the left leg, and you can press leg into hand, hand into leg, and twist a little bit deeper. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, we'll take that runner stretch. Feel free to use those blocks. Lift the sternum a little bit up and forward. Find a long spine here, and then add on your fold. And again, as we hold these stretches, we want to release tension. Our body's already in a challenging pose. It's tense enough. So let's do it a favor by releasing any mental tension, release tension in your jaw. Then the front knee, we'll step it back to our plank pose. Knees can always be down to modify, holding here nice and strong. Shift the weight forward, chaturanga. Inhale to up dog or cobra, and exhale it back to downward facing dog. Come up onto your tippy toes, we'll walk the feet up. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold, and inhale,